Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. If you stare at a mirror in the dark long enough, your brain makes you see things, warping your face or the room into something strange. This is called the strange face illusion. An American photographer lost and fatally stranded in the Alaskan wilderness was ignored by a state trooper plane because he raised his fist, a signal meaning all okay. Neurofibromatosis is a term for three genetic conditions that cause non-cancerous tumors to grow in the nervous systems. The tumors often affect the skin or surrounding bones. Mustard is often well tolerated by individuals with acid reflux and may even help alleviate symptoms for some due to its alkaline nature. Man married his rice cooker because it did not talk back. He divorced it 4 days later because all it did was cook rice. Meet the turtle frog, the animal that looks like a piece of chewing gum. Corn plants lose a lot of water to evaporation in a process known as corn sweat, increasing the relative humidity of the field by 100%. In just one day, 1 acre of corn can sweat 3,000 to 4,000 gallons of water. Did you know Bharat Ratna is not made of gold or silver but of pure copper? It is minted in only one place in country Kolkata. Freshwater snails are among the deadliest creatures on the planet. They carry and transmit a parasitic disease, also known as bilharzia, is second only to malaria as the most devastating parasitic disease. Eating oranges daily can help get rid of pain during periods. It also reduces cramps and improve happy mood during periods. In China, you can make around $1,000 by dressing up as the Monkey King and letting tourists feed you for up to 3 hours. Despite his vast intellect and his groundbreaking work in physics, Einstein never obtained a driver's license and was known to have a poor sense of direction. This man begged for money on the streets, then started the world's largest free ambulance service and saved thousands of babies and orphans. Before 1979, you could travel the hippie trail from Western Europe to Bangkok without flying. Pilots have to practice 14,000 hours to do a nose-up landing 7G force. Chindogu is the Japanese art of inventing strange and often useless gadgets to solve mundane everyday problems. This adorable mini kangaroo is bouncing back from extinction. Inspired by his role, Gary founded a charity to support disabled veterans. The Gary Sinise Foundation provides essential services to veterans, first responders, and their families. Photo of a square structure on Mars is going viral. A study found that beards can absorb 37% more energy from a punch, reducing the impact on the face. Researchers suggest that beards may have evolved to protect the jaw during physical confrontations. 365 million-year-old alien fish had one of the most extreme underbites on record. Squids have one of the sharpest beaks in the animal kingdom, which allows them to slice through nearly anything. During the Middle Ages, books were highly valuable, leading to the practice of chaining them to bookshelves, a security measure that remained common until the 18th century. Shehnaz Laghari is the first woman from Pakistan to fly an airplane while wearing a hijab. Study finds that socializing can delay dementia onset by 5 years and lower risk by 38%. At 14, this teenager continues their family's 70-year-old beekeeping tradition by selling 22 different types of honey. Organic diet significantly reduces urinary pesticide levels in children and adults. Fools laugh at others, wisdom laughs at itself. Our sleep cycle is regulated by hormones that influence the circadian rhythm. If you follow a regular sleep routine, your body adapts by anticipating your wake up time. Hormone levels start rising before you alarm, often causing you to wake up just before it goes off. This boy, Josh, suffers from bullying at his school because of his weight. Some students forced him to invite the most popular girl to go to a dance. Josh went to her house and made the proposal. The girl accepted. They were the king and queen of the ball. Learn to get in touch with the silence within yourself and know that everything in this life has a purpose. There are no mistakes, no coincidences. All events are blessings given to us to learn from. No traffic rules in India, else pay huge fine. Racing, overspeeding, minor driving vehicle, no seat belt and triple riding, parking in no parking zone, driving without helmet,
from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe
drunk
trying to
driving,
protect your soul.
driving without license. Thanks for watching.